Guys, hope you're all doing well. I am here with May's Boxycharm. So I'm super excited to show you guys what came in my Boxycharm box. The theme is Boxy Bash. If you guys are not familiar with Boxycharm, it is this cute, adorable box that shows up at your house every single month. It costs you 21 bucks a month and you get always 5 products. And you can always get over $100 worth in retail value. So it's a really, really good deal. You get some really nice name brands in here, and it's absolutely fantastic. So if you're interested in signing up, I do have a referral link in my description box. So go sign up, you guys. It's the best subscription service there is, honestly, and it keeps getting better and better every month. So good. I'm just going to go ahead and get started with what is first here. I've already been playing with all the products. I have them all on my face right now as we speak. So we're just going to start at the first product, which is the Pure Sculptor palette, which is this guy. Holy whoop, there goes my paper. What a little gem this is. You guys, it is so good. The retail value is $30 on this one, which I think is 100% worth every single penny. You get 2 beautiful highlight shades that just go on like so buttery. There's no chunky glitter. Absolutely gorgeous. And then you get 2 contour shades. So the colors are very pigmented, very nice. So here is the lighter highlight shade. There's the darker highlight shade. That's the lighter contour shade. That's the darker contour shade. So beautiful. You guys, if you hear like a rumbling sound, it is not my booty. That's my dog. She's right next to me, snoring her little self away here. It's crazy. But anyways, so this palette I used as contour. I used the lighter of the 2 contour shades here. So I used the color called Inventor as a contour. I tried to see if Founder would work, and it was definitely too dark because it started to muddy me up. You can kind of see it like right here where it just looks almost like my face is bruised. That's just because the color is too dark. I have the contour up on my forehead. Everything is fine as far as that goes, but definitely this one is too dark, but that's okay. I can use it for eyeshadow. It's a versatile product, so it'll be fine. And so the contour shade, I have it all around my face. I've got it in the contour, and I also put it on my eyes here as like a transition / crease color, so works out perfect there. I also put it under my eyes as a light liner under the eyes. And then I used this color called Originator, which is the lightest of the highlights over here, and I use this on my lid and as a highlight here. Absolutely gorgeous, you guys. This palette is phenomenal. I am in love with it. Did I already say it smells like chocolate? Oh, you guys, it's so good. Definitely smells like chocolate. It's just so good. I am just thrilled that we got this thing. Oh, I also used the color here, Inventor, the lighter color, as my eyebrow color too. So really good palette. Love it. Can't say enough good things about it. It's so good. So next is from Cover FX. This is the blurring primer. I used this. I have no complaints over it. It has the texture and like Professional from Benefit. You see, like it has that skin tony type of color, and it's thicker, and it's supposed to, like, you know, blur your pores. So I felt like my makeup went on really, it was like silky feeling on my face, and my makeup went over it really nice. So I have zero complaints. And by the way, if you guys are looking at me and wondering, that girl cannot put lipstick on, that is a zit. So I got a beautiful Mother's Day zit. I do know how to put lipstick on, I promise. It just really looks bad. So please forgive me there, guys. But anyways, this is a wonderful wonderful primer. Feels really nice, really nice. I only wore it once, so first impression of this is that it feels really, really nice. It is a $38 retail value for this one. Next is another one, you guys. This is so, so good. This is from Pretty Vulgar. Look at the packaging. Look at this. It's like an ink container, like just so gorgeous, the packaging and the amount that you get in this thing. And it is heavy, heavy duty. You can see that I was dipping into this thing already. I used it to line my my lid there, and it glid on super easy. It's definitely very pigmented. I will swatch it for you. As you can see, look at that. I mean, seriously, you guys, you can do it as dark or as light. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Seriously, guys, so good. So, so good. And the brushes are the next thing. This was a $24 retail value, by the way. 100% worth every penny. Completely worth it. So I really, really love that stuff, and I think that I will definitely use that daily. Next are these Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio brushes. Okay, so the verdict on these. I used this one to line my lid here because I was just able to get in there tighter. I'm not really a big fan of a really, really thick line. I kind of just like to just do that, go bloop, right across, and that's it. I don't put a wing on there or anything like that. So this one worked really, really nice. It was stiff enough and also had enough give that it was easy to draw the line on. So I appreciate that. Then you have a spoolie here, which the spoolie is fantastic. It's a nice stiff spoolie, which I really like, because if I use a pencil on my brows, I like to have a stiff spoolie so that I can really get in there and make sure that I don't have any lines from the pencil. So this I really appreciate. It's a really, really nice spoolie. And then there is this brush. It's supposed to be an eyeliner brush, guys, but it's too big. Like, seriously, my eyeliner brush that I use is from MAC, and you can see they're both angled. I'll show you. They're both angled, but there's a thickness that's different. You see that? Can you see it? Yeah, this one is just too big. This would take up quite a bit of my eyelid space if I tried to do some sort of a line with it. It would be, see how thick that would be? It would be too thick for me. So unfortunately, this one won't work for me as an eyeliner, but I used this with this Pure Sculptor palette. I went into this color here, barely tapped into it, and I am able to use this just to kind of go over my brows like this. And this guy works really, really well for that. I mean, I am thrilled with it because my brows, I have, you know, all the hair I need for brow hair. I never really was a plucker when I was young. So really what I like to do is just kind of fill them in and make sure that I don't have any gaps. So this is perfect for that. So I love that they're versatile brushes and that I was able to find another use for it. If it doesn't work for eyeliner, this one does. And so I like that you get both options, and then the spoolie is really, really good. These are a $45 retail value. And next is another product from Aesthetica. This is the P12 brush. This is a face brush, and it's really, really nice. Sorry about that, guys. So the P12 brush. So it is super soft. Really, really a nice brush. I tried to use this for a contour and it didn't work for me. What I found is that it wasn't really blending the color out really well. So this did not work for me for contour, which is fine. I just pulled out another brush. I have a Morphe brush that I use for that. But this brush would be perfect for tapping in your your powder It will also be really nice as a blush brush. So it's multi-purpose kind of face brush, and it's really, really nice, super soft, super nice. I mean, I have no complaints about it. It's a really, really nice brush. So this is a $27 retail value. You guys, the retail value of this month's box is insane. It's like 174 bucks. Like, really, really worth every single penny of that 21 bucks that I paid. Last product is the dud for me. This one is the Beauty Creations Liquid Lip Gloss. This is just a liquid lip, and it is, this is very confusing because when I saw liquid lip gloss, I was really excited because I thought we were going to get a pigmented lip gloss, but it's on the thing here, it says long wear matte lip gloss. This, you guys, look at my lips, watch this. No, I can't, you guys, I can't do it. I can't wear something like this. So this is a complete bust for me. I do not like it one bit. It's from the brand Beauty Creations. It is a $10 retail value. Just not good. But if you guys did get this and you want to try to somehow salvage it and make it wearable, I suggest you go out and get yourself a lip topper of some kind. I have this one called Lip Icing Cake from the brand Pixie, and the only way that I could possibly get away with wearing this is by adding a gloss over the top. This makes it comfortable, and then you don't stick. So this is what I suggest if you guys do really like the color, just hate the formula. If you stick a gloss over top of it, you'll be good to go. So anyways, guys, that's what I got. We got 6 products this month. So, I mean, what a great deal. I'm so happy. Boxycharm keeps getting better and better. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next video. So for June 2018 next month. Bye, guys.